Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, bank holiday Monday. Been up about half an hour. It's a little bit dark in here. I haven't opened my curtains yet. I hope you're all fine. It's a bit wet here. Just sort of waking myself up. Old age. It's like having a hangover every morning. But we mustn't moan about hangovers. All self-inflicted. Anyway, got the kettle on. I'm just about to make a cup of tea. I should go out and do a little film later, and then see if I can try and put the two films together. I expect I'll suss it out. Had a good day yesterday with Craig. Kevin, got his name right this time. And Francie with Fury. But we all got caught in a rainstorm. It's thunder and lightning. Pretty fierce. It come down like a good one. Got soaked. All good fun. But see you all later.
Brilliant story.
Ollie's still asleep, look. 21 minutes past 6. He sleeps like a bleeding dog. Walling. Right, let's have a look outside. That's drizzling. Hold on, get the door open one end. He's supposed to be 17. Oh, look at that. Mr. Power Man. I'm just down there. There's Kevin. Kevin's car. I have a passport for him. It says 2004 on it. Which is making 20, which is just a little bit silly. I expect Fury's in the front seat. I think they put anything they like on them. Xena, that's it. Kevin and Xena's just a pen, innit? In that van. YouTube. He's a lorry driver. Back to work tomorrow for him. He seems to enjoy his life. That's good, isn't it? I can't go out yet. It's raining. Got to put a coat on and haven't got any boots on yet. Me and Craig are going for a good walk today. He's never been there himself and he only lives up the road. Lovely, isn't it? Can't see past that van. Got no shoes on. Anyway, we'll see what the day brings. Hiya, I'm still in the van. Look. Hey, it's absolutely, put the kettle on again. It's absolutely pissing down out there. So we haven't really been out. I took Ollie out once and we got soaked. Flowing down the road, look, all the lads are wet. Franny just went down the road, come back absolutely soaked. Franny and Fury. So if it don't stop, we won't be doing the walk we was going to do. Such a shame. Not to worry. Lovely and warm in here. I've got a diesel heater. So, oh! Look at Ollie. Right in front of the diesel heater. Can't see that. Let's put the light on. Here we go. There's the light up here, look. There's Ollie down there, look. Okay? And that's the elephant trunk for the heater, and look. He ain't silly, is he? Hey, good old Ollie. Loving the bits I do. He's only an old rescue dog from Romania. I've had him 5 years. Very scared. Very, very scared. He's a little bit better now. Took a year for him to take a biscuit out of my hand. Bless him. Ollie. Nah, he don't want to know. He's basically saying, off. Leave me alone. Oh well. I haven't seen Craig this morning. Anyway, bye everybody. Signing off.